Hello children, welcome to social science class for grade 7. Today's topic is on equality. So in this topic we are mainly going to discuss about the fundamental rights of citizen as well as how the government taking necessary steps to maintain this equality. India is a democratic country, we all know. So what is meant by a democracy? So democracy is nothing but it is a form of government in which the rulers are selected by the citizens of that particular country. So the democratic country always be independent as well as it will give some rights to the citizens. So that rights are called fundamental rights. Equal right to vote. So this is one of the fundamental rights. So in a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have, what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. So this system is called universal adult franchise. So other forms of inequality. So the inequality also there in this democratic type of country. So one of the most common form of inequality is the caste system. So this caste system is mainly focused in the rural areas. So mainly the rural people are getting affected by this thing, and in urban area they are not taking into the account. Next one, Dalit. This is a term determine broken. So the Dalit mean broken. This term is given to the lower caste people. So now government had taken necessary steps to protect the Dalit people, and they are saving them from this discrimination. Judhan, this is a book written by Om Prakash Valmiki. He is a famous writer. In this book, he had mentioned about the troubles that had faced by the Dalit people. So he had included his own story in this book. That is, in his childhood days, he had faced several issues because of that he is of lower caste. So in his school days, his teacher asked him to clean the playground because he belonged to the Dalit community. So he included that story also in this book. So equality in Indian Constitution. So what is the step Indian Constitution taken for maintaining this equality? The Indian Constitution recognize every people as equal. So in Indian Constitution, the Constitution says that every people are equal. He may be of male or female or whatever the religion he is facing. He may be educational or the economic backgrounds, or all of them are equal. So, the recognition of equality includes some of the following provisions in the Constitution. So, every person is equal before law. He may be rich or poor. He may be whatever religion he is following. So, all are equal before the law. No person can be discriminated against on the basis of the religion, race, caste, place of birth, or whether they are male or female. So every person has rights to access all the public places, includes the playgrounds, temples, market, shops, etc. And the main thing is untouchability was abolished. This is the main thing faced by the Dalit before several years. So this was abolished by the Indian government now. So how these things are abolished, like untouchability and other systems, are abolished by two waves. One is by law and another one is by the government program. So let us see one of the government program or scheme that helps to uh, reduce this untouchability and other discrimination. So that is midday meal scheme. So this is one of the important scheme. So this was introduced by Tamil Nadu government. This is the first state which introduced this midday meal scheme. So after that, the Supreme Court insisted all the states to follow this method, because this is the method which increases the nutrition of the children, especially the poor children. Many poor children got benefited because of this scheme. So this is one of the positive scheme from the government, and also this helps us to this helps the poor children, and also to improve the attendance of the government schools. So thank you, have a nice day.